Hi and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you my secret to removing tough baby stains. Anything from baby food to baby poop, I can remove it. So first up is a bib that my daughter stained with sweet potatoes. The stain was halfway set in, halfway still fresh. So the first thing I do is I soak it in very, very hot water and I just scrub it with my fingernails to try to get as much of the stain off as I can. And then the secret is Johnson& Johnson's baby shampoo. I don't know what they put in it, but it removes stains better than anything else I've tried. So I just put some Johnson& Johnson's and I scrub the garment together and I just rub the stain out. If the stain comes out, then you can hang it up and let it dry. But if it doesn't come out, do not let the garment dry because it'll set the stain in. Make sure you leave it wet and then throw it into the washer. So I'm just going to continue to wash. And if the stain is really tough, later on in the video, I'll show you. I will soak the garment in Johnson& Johnson's and I'll add a little bit of baking soda and hot water and just let it soak. So there, you can see the stain is completely gone. And then here's a picture. The stain is completely gone. And then she also got some on her sleeve. That's before and after. And then this is the first blowout. This is the first time I tried the Johnson& Johnson's. And as you can see, the stain is completely gone. And then this garment, I thought I was going to have to throw this item away. She had a really bad blowout. So this is the item that I soaked. This is after I soaked it. The stain is already gone. And then this is after I washed and dried it. The stain is completely gone. That's the inside. The stain is gone. This item I also had to soak. It has sweet potato and sweet peas on it. And that's after soaking it. And then this is after washing and drying it. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.